departed. And then the other is, he is carried up or taken up to heaven. Now here, is importante kayo. Mauni ang meaning or nuance sa ascension as differentiated from assumption. Okay, let me simplify this. Ascension, aduna siya'y gahom nga musaka sa langit. No, sa Italian, ang tawag anang escalator, ascensore. Ascensore. So siya ning lakaw. Unsa man ang assumption? Ang assumption, dili siya kahimo, siya mo'y dala. And that is what happened to Mama Mary. That is what happened to Elijah. And that is also what happened to Enoch. They were assumed to heaven. So, Cebuano, ascension is pagkayab o pagsaka. Ang assumption, pagpasaka o pagpakayab. No, so, di man sila makahimo. No, so, take note of that. Labi na pag-ampo ta sa glorious mysteries. Okay? The second glorious mystery is pagsaka sa langit sa Ginoo. The